Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 3 graphic design applications that you can use to create amazing designs without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these applications offer a range of features and capabilities that can help you achieve professional looking results. Let's dive in. Number 1. GIMP. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful raster graphics editor that offers many features similar to Adobe Photoshop. With GIMP, you can edit and manipulate images, create new artwork from scratch, and even animate images. Some of its key features include support of layers, filters, and effects, advanced color correction and management tools, plugin support for added functionality, and finally, customizable interface and workflow. GIMP is ideal for photo editing, digital painting, and image manipulation. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and has a large community of users and developers who create plugins and resources. Number 2. Inkscape. Inkscape is a free vector graphics editor that's similar to Adobe Illustrator. It offers a wide range of tools and features, including support to SVG files, gradients and effects, advanced path and shape tools, text and font support, customizable interface and workflow. Inkscape is ideal for creating logos, icons, illustrations, and other vector graphics. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and has a large community of users and developers who create extensions and resources. Number 3. Canva. Canva is a cloud-based graphic design platform that's perfect for non-designers and professionals alike. It offers a wide range of templates, design tools, and features, including drag and drop interface, huge library of fonts, images, and design elements, customizable templates and designs, collaborations, and sharing tools. Canva is ideal for creating social media graphics, business cards, flyers, and other visual content. It's only available online with a subscription-based model that offers additional features and support. There you have it, my top 3 free graphic design applications. Each one offers unique features and capabilities, so be sure to check them out and see which one works best for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these applications can help you achieve professional-looking results without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.